So there it is. It's a live edge pallet. So my plan is to rescue this rare specimen and mount it to the wall. That way we will save furniture from being made from pallets and river tables from being made from live edge wood. So I want to use the Cricut to make a museum card because it has a pen tool. It can write what I want it to write and then cut it out square. Here Ezra is making sure I have everything set up correctly. And we're going to load it up and hit start. So it didn't turn out the way I wanted to. It outlined everything. You need to find a single line font, which I don't have any single line fonts. So I just printed it out of Illustrator and cut it the old-fashioned way. So now I'm going to make a little standoff display for the card. So I'm cutting this Luan 2 inches bigger than the card. So the card is 3x5, so this is 5x7. And I'm just going to spray mount it with some adhesive. And then I'm using the 1, 2, 3 blocks because they're an inch, and it gives me a perfect offset there, and I can just kind of lay the paper in up against those blocks. And then for the standoff, so it stands off against the wall, it's just a little piece of scrap. Just CA glued it to the back of the plywood and hit it with activator so it dries instantly. And because there's no really good way to mount this, I'm going to just CA glue it to the wall using the 1, 2, 3 blocks to kind of hold that thing up. And there you have the museum card, so it looks like, something you would see in a museum because it is worthy, being the rare find that is. So that's how I displayed the live edge palette.